to my channel. Today we're going to learn how to do the 34+35 by Ariana Grande Tik Tok trend. It's pretty new and it's also one of my favorites. It's a really cool dance. But before we get started, make sure to subscribe and also activate the notifications. It would make me so happy and it only takes you 2 seconds to do. So go ahead, subscribe, and now let's go. By the way, this video is mirrored, so it's a lot easier for you to follow. And now let's go on with the first move. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to rub our hands. Then we're going to step forward with our right leg. And our hand does, it goes 1, 2. And our left hand is in front of us. It's in a fist. Just like that. Right, 1, 2 in a fist. 1, 2. Okay, let's do it. Rub, step. Then after that, our right hand goes over towards our left shoulder. Then it goes forward and it does like this circle and then it goes forward like that. So once again, shoulder, circle, front. Okay, shoulder, circle, front. Once again, shoulder, circle, front. Okay, and then after that, we're gonna do 2 waves. 1, 2, just like that. So let's do it from the beginning and we'll move on. Let's go, rub, step, 1 and 2, 1, 2. Okay, perfect. So after the waves, we're gonna go 1, then we're gonna clap over us. Instead of clapping like we usually do, over our heads. And then what we're gonna do is, we're gonna go down with our hands and we're gonna twist our legs. Just like that. So let's do it from the beginning and we'll move on. Let's go. Rub, step, 1 and 2, wave, wave. Come, clap, twist, twist. So after we twist, we're gonna put our finger like this. Then we're gonna clap right in front of us, and then we're gonna clap twice. But first we're clapping like to the right and to the left, just like that. And when we clap, we're also gonna twist our legs a little. So it's gonna look like this. Clap, clap, clap. Okay, so the first clap, we don't do anything with our legs, and then we twist it, okay? Now let's do it from the beginning, and we'll move on. Rub, step, 1 and 2, wave, wave. Come, clap, twist, twist, finger. Then we're gonna clap, twist, twist. Perfect, so after that, our hands are here. We're gonna straighten our left arm, just like that. And our right one just stays like almost in the same place. It just slides through our arm slowly, just like that. And then we're gonna do an isolation. So we're gonna go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so it's gonna be 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then we're gonna have to do it even faster. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Just like that. So if you can't do it fast, don't worry, just practice it first slow and then keep on doing it faster and faster and you'll get it. It's not that hard once you get the hang of it. So we're gonna go from the beginning and we'll move on. Rub, step, 1 and 2, wave, wave. Come, clap, twist, twist, finger, clap, 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 and then slide. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So after this, we don't have much left. This part is going to be pretty easy to remember. We're going to jump. Our right knee goes up and our hands go down. Then our leg goes down and we're going to jump again. But instead of both our hands going down, we're going to go like this. Right hand on our knee. So it's going to look like this. 1, 2. Try it once again. 1, 2. Then it says earthquake. There are different ways to do this. We can either go like this, look to the left and to the front, and our hand is like, in the middle of our face, or we can go 1, 2, however you want. So from here, it's gonna look like this: 1, 2, 1, 2, or 1, 2, however you want. Let's do it from the beginning, and I'm gonna show you the last 2 moves because we only have 2 left. Let's go. Rub, step, 1 and 2, wave, wave. Come, clap, twist, twist, finger, clap, 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 slide. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, jump, jump, earthquake. And then after the earthquake, this part is gonna be fast. It's gonna be like 1, 2, or 1, 2, okay? And then after that, we're gonna jump once again. Just like we did before, but instead of going here, our knee goes to the left, right? So it's gonna look like this. 1, jump, 1, 2, 3, okay? And then after that, we're just gonna do a wave. Just like that. So you can, it's not like one of those waves, you know, where you have to like go forward a lot. No, just a wave, just like that. Once again, 1, perfect. And that's it. Now we have the whole dance. So what we're gonna do now is we're gonna do it from the beginning twice. First, we're gonna do it slow so that we remember which move goes after which, and then we're gonna do it faster. But first, let's do it slow. So let's go. Rub, step, 1 and 2, wave, wave. Come, clap, step, step. 1, 2, clap, clap, slide. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, jump, jump, earthquake, jump, wave. Perfect. And now the same thing but faster. Let's go. Rub, step, 1 and 2, wave, wave. Come, clap, twist, twist, finger, clap, clap, clap. Slide, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, jump, jump, earthquake, jump, wave. That's it. Guys, I really hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Make sure to give me a big thumbs up if you liked it. Subscribe, go follow me on TikTok, and also comment ideas of which dance you want me to do next, and I hope to see you soon.